Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, Khalid. It's absolutely not first time on Growing Guitar. We love Khalid, and this one is called Decline and was recently released here, and I thought this one was the one who talked to me more than the other songs. I love this one. It's beautiful. Decline. Let's take a look at it together. And we have a capo set on the 4th fret. Why? Because that is the best scenario for us. Easy chords. And yeah, that's it. So let's take a look at this 4-chord song. It goes in the same way through the entire song, just 2 different versions with strumming. We'll come to that. First, the chords. We have C, and that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, and it goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have D minor, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 1st E, and then we have the F. And that's a bar chord. So you play the bar on the 1st fret, you cover all strings there with your index finger, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, and I can just mention when it comes to the chord switches and all that, it's always great to be economical about it. That means you don't have to work too much for doing the changes. So for instance, C to G, okay, you have to recuperate your fingers a lot, but then from G, you keep that 3rd fret ring finger on the 3rd fret B string. You can keep that one to D minor, all right? So from G to D minor, you can have that. And then from the D minor to F, you can keep that mid finger on the 2nd fret G string. You have that now to the F, all right? So it flows pretty great in this song here. That could be something to practice on if you're not used to switch chords. So anyway, some technical stuff there. Let's go into the playing now. So it starts very easy. You're gonna play simply 2 downs per chord in the same order we'll learn the chords. So C, G, D minor, and F. 2 downs per chord over and over till about 1 minute and 41 seconds into the song, like this. So on. And I even noticed now from the F, you can actually also keep the 3rd fret on A string to get back to the C, all right? So another chord switch there that goes very smooth. This one feels so natural, this C, G, D minor, and F. Anyway, that is how we're gonna do for about 1 minute and 41 seconds into the song. Then starts somewhat of a strumming, and it's a strumming that is divided into 2 different parts. So we're gonna look at the first transition here from C to G. So the first part played on C is played just 2 downs in the same way we played it before. But then comes the next part. You switch chord to G in this case, and you're gonna play up, down, 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 up. So it goes up, down, down, down. Okay, you can start there. So up, down, down, down. And then down, up. So up, down, 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 up. And then you apply the same principles on the next 2 chords. The D minor is played in the same way as C. Down, down, and then you switch to F and play that in the same way as the G. Up, down, 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 up. So, like this for a couple rounds. And you play like that till the very end, and that is Khalid's Decline. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you feel for it, please click the like button here if you liked this tutorial. If you didn't, then subscribe to this channel and give me a second shot on another song, and we'll see about that. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day and play tuned.